I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up your Garmin Edge 1040. First, power on your device by pressing and holding the power button for about 2 seconds. Next, choose your language and region directly on the screen. Then, download the Garmin Connect app to your smartphone. Finally, pair your Edge 1040 with the app using Bluetooth for a smooth initial connection. Now let's personalize your experience. Open the Garmin Connect app and create or update your user profile. It's important to input accurate personal metrics, like your weight and height, for the most precise data tracking. Next, pair any ANT Plus or Bluetooth sensors you use, such as a heart rate monitor or speed sensor. Don't forget to calibrate power meters or other advanced sensors for optimal performance. Moving on to customization, create specific activity profiles for various ride types, like road or mountain biking. This tailors your device for each adventure. Select and arrange the data fields you want to see most during your rides, ensuring essential metrics are always visible. Adjust settings for auto pause, auto lap, and navigation preferences. Finally, configure helpful alerts for speed, heart rate, or even hydration reminders. For navigation, ensure your maps are up to date by downloading them via Wi-Fi for your riding regions. You can easily sync courses and routes from Garmin Connect or other platforms directly to your device. Explore the robust navigation features, including clear turn-by-turn directions to keep you on track. Also, make sure to utilize the innovative Climb Pro feature, which provides detailed ascent information for any climbs on your chosen routes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.